let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about favourite games in Poland. Ada lives in Warsaw, in Poland.
Okay, let's watch.
Hi, I'm Ada. This is Warsaw, in Poland. I live here with my family. My favourite game is hopscotch. In Poland, we call hopscotch klasy. You need chalk to play hopscotch. Look, I've got white chalk. I'm drawing lines. Some people draw 10 squares, but I draw lots of squares. I want a big game of hopscotch. Now I'm writing numbers in the squares. I've got 13 squares. In Poland, we jump on the squares and say the words for different things, like animals, food, or colours. I'm playing hopscotch in the playground with my friends. We're saying words for animals. It's my friend's turn. 1, elephant. 2, zebra. 3, monkey. You get 1 point for every word. I've got lots of points. Come and play hopscotch with me.
What's Ada's favourite game?
Our favourite game is hopscotch. It's fun.
My favourite game is hide and seek. What's your favourite game?
My favourite game is tag. I love playing tag.